Hey, this is Isabel with FBK Live Southern Exposure Models here for your naughty news. So today, while reading the news, I came across this woman or mother, single mother, who let her 7-year-old drive the car while she totally got wasted. She decided to let her 7-year-old just drive, not caring if her son might just kill her, kill himself. I mean, this woman is crazy. Talk about don't drink, kids. Just, you know, leave the bottle at home, you know? Also, which is very interesting, a South Korean hypnotist decided to hypnotize his 27-year-old girlfriend. So on the date, to go in to get a kiss from her, decided to just hypnotize her. But the only thing was that this hypnotist didn't realize that she was not hypnotized. So yeah, buddy, maybe you should pick up another, let's say a pickup line or something, I don't know, get other ways, dude. Anyways, on other naughty news, a Malaysian teacher, which was very interesting, decided to let her A-grade student smoke 42 cigarettes. Why? He had a pack of cigarettes in his locker. Okay, why are you gonna do this, lady? I have my pants down.
Yes.
Okay, shouldn't you be getting like you taking your pants off?
I am getting like you taking your pants off.
Okay, now on my last news today, an Austrian woman on a vacation in Wisconsin gets rabies shots after she was bitten by otters while she was swimming. Now, this 51-year-old lady of a lake in Owen, Drummond, or something like that. When the 3 otters suddenly appeared, feeling concerned, she swam to the shore. Now, that was too late because she was already bitten. She said they swam off when she shook her leg, but not before biting her 8 or 9 times on her leg. Again, maybe you shouldn't go to, what is it? Lake Owen near Drummond, or whatever the hell. Anyways, okay, well now I'm about to do my photo shoot with Southern Exposure Models. Again, my name is Giselle, and I am done with the naughty news. Bye-bye.